Hi, my name is Barb. I work for the Door County Library at the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin. And I would like to show you a craft today that you can do with your kids. And it's a fall craft, and it is a little owl. And this is what he looks like. I think this time of year, it's sort of a thing that fits into the season. So here he is. And I'll show you all the pieces you need, and I'll even tell you some of the dimensions. So first of all, you're going to need a brown circle, and my circle is about 5.5 inches by 4.5 inches, just so you know. It's a little easier, I think, to cut crafts out if you're the type of person that likes things to be, quite accurate. So that's about how big this circle is, 5.5 by 4.5. And then his little wings are like this. First there's the purple piece, and then I put this in the center, and you glue it on like so. And that piece is about 3 inches by 1.5 inches wide. So 3 inches this way, 1.5 inches this way. All right, and then you will need some green paper, and you can just cut out some little feet, some little claws. They don't have to be exactly like mine, but close would probably be good. And then you cut out 2 of these eyes here, and just take a magic marker and draw the little black circle, and then a little rectangle for the nose. And this is my little hoot owl, and I think he's rather cute. There he is. And I think your kids would really like him. If you don't have the pattern paper, that's okay. Just use plain paper. I would suggest using 2 different colors. Use, purple or whatever color you have for the background wing, and then use something different for the inside part, just so that it shows off and it looks pretty. So here you go. I hope you like them. This is Hoot Owl. Happy crafting. Bye.